Hi, I'm Charlie, the Director of Management at Eightfold Property. Today I'm going to talk about the Climate Change Act and the role the RICS has to play in achieving the goals that are set out within this Act. The COP26 conference saw a review of the Paris Agreement to see reductions in temperatures down to 1.5 C from 2 degrees C. The UK government also introduced an interim target to see reductions of 78%. With these figures, it's absolutely vital that the property industry plays its part in shaping the built environment. While the UK government's Committee on Climate Change has sought to put reductions in place, they're yet to actually pass any legislation through. Some developers are already leading the way by signing up to partnerships and programmes that seek to reduce the impact of their built developments. There are regulatory bodies such as the Better Buildings Partnership that implement a specific toolkit for properties. One such programme is the Better Building Partnership that implements minimum standards that developers adhere to in order to show their commitment to reducing the impact of these developments. Mandatory standards across the industry are invaluable in effecting real change. The government introduced EPCs 15 years ago, and then 14 years ago they had the introduction of DECs, which are display energy certificates, which are mandatory to display in large public buildings. Both EPCs and DECs rate a building on its energy efficiency, and the information is publicly available, so it allows potential occupiers and owners to see the performance of the building. Since the start of 2022, there's been an increasing number of consultations on reviewing the procedures of the EPC certificates. The Net Zero Verification Standard has recently been formed, which is a coalition that seeks to reduce carbon emissions on the realisation that EPCs only go some part of the way in doing so. The RICS has recently joined this coalition, sitting on the Technical Steering Group, which seeks to reduce both existing and operational carbon emissions. The new standard is to be comprehensive, extending both into procurement and carbon offset treatments. The whole life carbon assessment tool has recently been implemented by the RICS and aims to aid with a building strategy in reducing its emissions. This will sit alongside the Built Environment Carbon Database, which is going to act as a platform for both benchmarking and estimation of a building's carbon output. I'm Charlie at Eightfold Property. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.